Hello and welcome to this WP Cloud Deploy walkthrough. In this video, I'll show you how to access a virtual machine via SSH on Windows. First, let's create a new droplet on DigitalOcean. We'll use Ubuntu and leave everything else on the default settings. Make sure your SSH key is selected under the Authentication section. Now let's go ahead and create our droplet. Once the virtual machine is ready, we can copy its IP address. Now let's open the command prompt. We can use the Windows Open SSH client to access virtual machines. Simply type SSH space root @ and then your server's IP address and press Enter. Type yes when prompted and press Enter. You're now logged into the virtual machine via SSH. You can also connect via PUTTY. Let's take a look at that now. First, you'll need to convert your key using the PuttyGen application. Once it's downloaded, you can load the SSH key you created earlier. Make sure you select the private key, not the public key, and click Open. It's been successfully imported, so click OK. Now click Save Private Key, and click Yes when prompted. Give the key a name, and click Save. Now you can use PUTTY to access your virtual machine. Simply paste in the IP address, click on SSH, Auth, and then browse to the private key we just created using PuttyGen. Select the key and click Open. Now click Open again, and Yes to accept the server fingerprint. Type root, and you are now logged in using SSH via PUTTY. Finally, let's take a look at the same process using Termius. Open up Termius, click New Host, give the new host a label, paste in the IP address of your virtual machine, scroll down to SSH, the username should be root. Click on Keys, Add Key, give the new key a label, then click File to browse to our private SSH key. Click Open. Now open your public key, copy the key, and then head back to Termius and paste it into the public key field. Now click Save, and save one more time. Now we can double-click our virtual machine, then click Add and Continue to accept the fingerprint. We're now successfully logged into our virtual machine via SSH using Termius.